This might be too real, too real. 'Cause you make my earthquake. You make my earthquake. I'm riding around, your love is shaking me up. It's making my...
Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. I'm Gabrielle. In today's video, I am going to show you this very easy install. Okay, this wig is from Nadula Hair Company. I'm going to have the playlist at the top. Y'all know the deal. The details are going to be down in the description box, along with the links to this company's website and to this particular wig. So like I mentioned, it is so easy. So easy, and by that I mean, number one, it's super convenient. I did have to refresh some of the curls in the front, and it was like easy, okay, glueless at that, and I did not have to trim, cut, nothing. Okay, I just had to put it on, lay one baby hair in the front and basically do, of course, my concealer in the parting space, and that was really about it, you guys. And that's just for the install. When it comes to prepping this wig, I did have to, of course, pluck the closure front part. So I normally do that with every single one of my wigs, just about. It may be like one or two that I didn't have to, but 9 times out of 10, that's what I'm doing when it comes to prepping. So like I mentioned, I just literally plop this on. This is a Waterwave texture and it's 14 inches. I forgot to tell y'all. But I just feel like it is just super convenient. I have been feeling very businessy in this wig. So I'm going to show you guys my outfit, the little TikTok that I did, okay? I'm going to have that on the screen, or I'm going to try to. If not, you're going to see my outfit at the end, okay? Because I want to show you guys my outfits with these hairstyles, especially if it's super easy like this. The video can literally be like 2-3 minutes after like editing, so I'm not trying to give you guys super short videos like that, so I'm gonna add a little to it. I did end up finger combing, you guys are gonna see it, this hair out, okay? It can be defined if you wanted to, but for me, y'all know so I finger combed this baby out just to give it some more like volume, thickness, you know. Yeah, so that's about it, you guys. I'm just gonna stop here. This is very like easy video. Easy is the word for this video. This is a very easy install, therefore an easy video. So I will check you guys out. Oh, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, you guys. I've really been appreciating, you know, the love I've been getting lately. It's been very nice. I've been getting some very nice comments and DMs and stuff, so it's really been making my day. So I really do appreciate it, and I'm gonna check you guys out. Bye.
I need some help just like anyone else. Hold me closer in these trying times. Open your eyes, baby. You said you felt something for me.